Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Caudabe Paragon case for the S25 Ultra. I need to give a shout out to Caudabe for actually sending this case out to me for a review. I did review the Caudabe sheath case a couple days ago. Now it's the Paragon. They did send me out another case and a screen protector, so stay tuned for those videos coming out soon. You can get this case from their website. I will have the links in the description. Like we normally do on our case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? How good are the buttons? Can you wireless charge? The overall fit? Does it add bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. Just like the sheath packaging, it's nice. I mean, bam. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. Man, read that to Eucalyptus collection, minimalistic perfection, it says. So it has this little green tint to it. The first thing I noticed was this grip on the sides, but bam. And you can change out the buttons on here too. They did send me out buttons, a little card in here. So this is definitely a nice case, nice packaging too. Put all this back. Y'all didn't come here for the case though. I mean the box. This is what y'all came for. Look at the inside. It has that same felt material. The same stuff in that inside. Bam. I love the grip on the sides. And I love how that back looks too. The precise oh, y'all heard that snap, right? Look at that camera cutout. You do have lip protection for it. Protection for the camera. You have lip protection at the top and the bottom here, so it's going to keep your display from touching. The power button felt nice and tactile. Same thing with the vine rockers. Nice and easy to press. Not hard at all. Everything lines up at the bottom there. The pen is easy to get out. The microphones at the top line up. And then just look at the back too. The one thing I noticed too is the grip on the side. So if you're holding it, you're not going to drop it. It makes it a little bit harder to drop your phone because you have that grip on there. It doesn't add bulk. It's not a bulky case. It weighs very minimalistic there. And look, I mean, there's no really bulkiness to this case at all. The overall fit, nice and snug pretty much. Yeah, I mean, it fits really great. And y'all heard, like trying to get this out, y'all can hear that snap in there. So it fits really well. Man, they make some great cases. If you haven't checked out Caudabe yet, I would definitely check them out. Go see which ones you like the best. But this is another case you can rock in your daily lineup. It does have MagSafe. You can wireless charge. I mean, if it has MagSafe, you know you can wireless charge. And then the magnet is really strong on there too. I mean, man. Yes, and it protects your phone from drops, as you can tell. Like, look. So, the magnet is strong on there. I like these cases. It comes in different colors, too. You can look online, and you can pick up the different colors. But let's wrap up this video. It does check off a lot of boxes when you look for a case. The buttons are nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the top and the bottom. The overall fit is good. It doesn't add bulk. The magnet is strong if you like MagSafe. Can wireless charge. You have lip and camera protection and that precise camera cutout there. You have this beautiful green color too, so checks off a lot of boxes. Again, if you want to pick up this case, you can definitely do so. I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.